millions of Americans on the edge of a hunger crisis as SNAP federal food assistance runs out of money. Even after a federal judge ordered the Trump administration to use emergency funds, the White House argues it's not legally allowed to use the money, leaving the 42 million Americans who rely on SNAP in limbo. President Trump says he's instructed government lawyers to find a legal path to restore SNAP funding, but acknowledges benefits will still be delayed. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries blasting the president.
The Trump administration needs to release these benefits. They have the funds for a contingency situation like we confront.
But as the shutdown drags on for more than a month, Democrats still holding firm for an extension of Obamacare tax credits to keep healthcare costs for some 20 million Americans from skyrocketing. Obamacare open enrollment begins this weekend, and many are already feeling the sticker shock. In Virginia, Beth Dryer's monthly premium jumping from $80 to $425.
This is more than quadrupled in cost for me. So it's just straight out. There's no way I would be able to afford this next year.
And thousands of air traffic controllers working without pay for weeks. Nearly 80% in New York have called out, facing stress and fatigue. The staffing shortages triggering delays across the country. Now 4 of the nation's largest airlines pleading lawmakers to reopen the government.
It's putting stress on people. It's not fair to those people. It's also putting stress on the economy.
Even as more than 1 million federal workers like those air traffic controllers are working without pay, lawmakers, guys, on Capitol Hill are still getting their paychecks. And we are still in the standstill because you've got Republicans on one hand, they're refusing to negotiate while the government is shut down, while Democrats say they are standing firm on their health care demands. So really no end in sight to this.
And millions of Americans still trying to figure out what comes next.
Exactly.
All right, Selena, great to have you here in New York. We appreciate it.